Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdegam Chimthanawala. Once again, a medical remedy, a very important remedy which has been routinely prescribed in our practice, that is benzoic acid, acid benz. You must have seen a lot of symptoms of benzoic acid very commonly used in urinary complaints. Let me share my experience of benzoic acid which I have found very useful in my practice. About the indications now, listen carefully. The remedy is indicated in cases where there is some derangement of the urinary organ, and that gives rise to symptoms of uric acid diathesis. And uric acid diathesis, this is a very important indication of benzoic acid. It is indicated for constitution which having uric acid diathesis. Now the color of the urine, again a very important symptom of benzoic acid. The urine is of a deep red color and has a strong urine odor, reminding of horse urine, a very important indication of benzoic acid. Remember only one thing, very strong smelling urine is a very important indication of benzoic acid. As we go further, I'll tell you then the character of urine, which will club the two things, character and the smell, and it will become a very important symptom of benzoic acid. It is also important when the urine odor and the color of the urine is characteristic, and it is nearly present in all the symptoms which the remedy covers. So these two symptoms, the color and the odor of urine, will be present in most number of symptoms present in benzoic acid. It is a very important remedy in case of renal insufficiency also. Renal insufficiency, when the kidneys are not able to do its work properly. And it is also very valuable remedy in cases of catarrh of bladder, also in cystitis and nocturnal enuresis. When the urine is dark and has a strong odor, again the odor is very important, and the urine is dark. Now, if you look at the therapeutics of benzoic acid, you must remember how is the urine. And the most important symptom of benzoic acid is the urine is hot. Patient बोले डॉक्टर साहब यूरिन बहुत गरम निकलती है. That's a very important symptom. Hot and scalding urination, and is extremely offensive. So offensiveness, the scalding urination, the hot urination, very important symptom of benzoic acid. And it is so offensive that when you enter in a room and the benzoic acid patient is there, you can always think that the remedy is benzoic acid. It is so offensive. It is also called as cadaverous smelling urine. Don't always think about arsenic album. And lastly, it should be thought of in dealing with the aged. When the urine is high colored and strong smelling, it dribbles away. In old age, dribbling is because of want of power to retain it. So when the muscles are weak, the sphincters are weak, it dribbles away. And second, it is because of the irritation of the bladder. So in short, these are symptoms of urine of benzoic acid. Of course, it is very important to know some of the mental symptoms which you have seen very useful in benzoic acid. And first is, the patient dwells upon disagreeable occurrence. हमेशा जो बात खराब है, जो गलत एक्सपीरियंसेस है, वही सोचता रहता है कि मेरे साथ में ऐसा हो. Disagreeable occurrence. And you know, benzoic acid, I'll tell you one symptom. The patient of benzoic acid is obsessed by deformities. Very important symptom. Obsessed by deformities. You will see in your patient. Next is hurry followed by fear. Hurry followed by fear, a very important indication of benzoic acid. And while writing, he omits the words. So while writing, he often omits the words. And we all think about polycystic like melodorenum or like anacardium, but don't forget benzoic acid. This patient, while writing, will omit the word. If, for example, if you want to write, I am here, he'll write I here. He'll omit the word. That is benzoic acid. And of course, one of the symptoms, which is a very important mental symptom, is the child wants to be nursed in the arms. The child wants to be nursed in the arms, will not be laid down. A very rare but indication which will guide you to the prescription of benzoic acid. So, in short, this is mental symptom and the urine symptom of benzoic acid clubbed together that becomes a drug picture of benzoic acid. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.